Hello everybody, today I want to make a quick video of a system I'm working on, which is uh ray based like looking. So let's say you have an entity and you want to know if the entity can see a player. That is kind of what I'm working on. Now, right now, I have a little setup right here because I am trying to make the alien from Alien Isolation, where it has its four cones as its peripheral vision, its close vision, like it's focused, and then its normal view cone. And I need to detect if the player is walking it. And as you can see, if I come into the cone, it will detect when I walk in front of it through the rays. If I'm closer, of course, more rays will go out. If I'm farther away, and it all works without any issue. Now, the way I'm doing this is this little chain of command blocks right here. And it looks like it's a lot more than it actually is, but a lot of these are just teleports. So it's running in a single tick. Now the way I'm doing it is first I'm killing everything named Looker. Now what Looker is all of these armor stands, so as you see if I kill one, it doesn't matter. And this way, if anything does get messed up, the alien never has like a random blind spot. Like if this one died, it would not be a blind spot. Also, if someone shoots one, just we'll replace it. Now, next thing I'm doing is I'm running a series of commands which are summoning armor stands on the alien to the location that I want to face. So it's these lines, or this line of blocks right here in this case. So everything here will spread out to where it needs to go. Up here is where the actual stuff gets to, and it's where the alien will kind of see where the players are. Right now it has no block detection, only entity detection. But what I'm doing is I'm getting every looker entity and I'm targeting their self. And if they are not in an ignore tag, so I can ignore entities by like, if I just have entities that I don't want the alien seeing, or if it's not the alien or looker, it will teleport it forward once. Now what that's doing is I have 15 of those, which means on the alien in a single tick, it will teleport forward one and just keep on doing it till it's 15 blocks away, unless if there is an entity in front of it. If there's an entity in front of it, then it will stop before the entity. So as you see, if I get a armor stand real quick, and I just place an armor stand here, as you see, they'll stop right before it because it is hitting the rays. They're all teleporting up to a point. And as you see, if I get closer, it comes here. And the thing I like about this system is that it just works. It has no issues from as far as I can tell. And everything gets, every tick gets reset. So it doesn't matter if these die, they'll be here. And it works relatively lagless, I would say. I suppose if you put like a bunch of them, it will, because you need an entity for every block in the widest of the cone. But it's a lot better than checking, every single block in the cone. Now, one downside is that because they are going out, shooting, like if I was to shoot the alien from here, it's going to hit the stand. Now, a way I can fix this is just by teleporting the stands 2 blocks under the alien when summoning in, and that's probably what I am going to do in the end of it. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is make it so the alien also has peripheral vision and a focused line vision, because right now I can just detect if it's in the main cone, but I also want so it gives me a different reading if it's in this like focus cone or in the peripheral. But one thing that is cool is that if I run a command like execute as at e name equals alien at self, run tp at self, they're facing at p. If I run this command, as you see, it will move its vision and it will still work just as intended. So no matter where it is, now one thing you will see is that the arm stands are going up for a split second, and that's because when you teleport armor stand facing, it is facing you. So it's waiting for the armor stand to not, which is it falling back down. But once it does, it settles down and it's back to normal. As you see, it works just as intended. Anyway, that's about everything for right now that I have. I will definitely be making it so this will have more intricate systems, block detection. So if I place like blocks here, it would detect it. Again, right now it is just entities. But yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Hope you guys thought it was pretty cool. Easy little video. And I'll see you next time.